I don't think IPO market is open for everybody. I think IPO market still needs at least 5-6 billion of market cap, because you need at least 500 million to a billion, which is 10% of the market cap as float, to be able to be public. And you need to have a high growth story, right? So if you're going to go out there with a 20% growth at 200 million, I don't think you can IPO unless you have a really, really strong AI story that you can provide, that's saying that the growth will come because of the AI story that we have. So I don't think the IPO market is open for any kind of stock or company out there. And it'll be
Okay.
interesting to see who comes out.
Jeff, what do you think?
Yeah, I have a little bit of a different view there, which is, first of all, I think capital market conditions right now are about as good as they get, in terms of all the way around, whether you look in private markets, public markets. We are in a Goldilocks environment. I think one thing to be mindful of generally for folks is these next 6 months, don't forget about the tariffs and the flow through that those are going to have on consumer spending. I mean, I'm sure you guys saw the unemployment print today. So just something to consider. But I continue to believe that the going public decision is more at the discretion of the companies than it used to be. And the main reason a lot of them choose not to go public is they don't want to, because there's various disclosure requirements that are more onerous. There's, a level of near-term management that you're required to do with public visibility. But again, I think for the public markets to be compelling, they need to offer something. And I think this could be a sign of the future, which is they're going to offer premium valuation. And I do think to the extent this premium valuation environment persists, that will draw out some companies that are otherwise neutral about going. So I'm curious to see where Figma trades, post earnings once we've had some real data digested. But I think this could be the start of a more friendly, or just a willingness of the capital markets to recognize that, hey,
Right.
they need to pay up for the quality companies.